We do all of the windows and doors, we do commercial projects, we do residential projects, we do one window, we do a house lot of windows, of course all of the different ranges of screens that go with that. So basically it pretty much is a one-stop shop. No job is too big or too small. Alex started Coast and Hinterland Glass and Aluminium 30 years ago as a one-man band and grew from there. So I came into the business about 10 years ago, and we're trying to provide a service that is an end-to-end service, fabrication and supply, that's reliable but also that's giving something of an edge that other companies don't have. You can pretty much fully understand what you're getting, and you can make that decision before you tick the box to say, yes, I'm going to do it. People can see it, touch it, feel it, and know exactly what they're getting. They can pick their colours, they can see how it opens, they're not flicking through magazines or looking on websites to make decisions that is ultimately probably their forever home. Living here on the Sunshine Coast, like we service obviously from the hinterland through to Noosa and then back down to Brisbane and even some jobs on the Gold Coast. So those areas, we live in such a beautiful place, but they do afford some amazing views. It's really lovely to be able to bring that outside in for our customers. One of the things our customers do love is the product that we've done at Vaucluse, which is the sliding stacker doors. They are seamless as you step inside and out. There's no threshold. It basically is completely flat. You can open those with one finger and close them with one finger. So the roller systems and the way that they're put together and the way that they're built is really invaluable. We do get a lot of like crazy storms, and yeah, it can be quite scary. So it is really nice to be able to close your louvers, close your doors, and know that, no matter which way the wind is blowing, that you've got a full watertight premises and that, yeah, you can still see out. You don't have to be battened in. We are lucky to have the backing of AWS and great products, completely 100% Australian made, and we manufacture ours right here in Caloundra. And it's really nice to be able to work with a product like that and know that you have the backing of AWS, and they've afforded us some great opportunities and supported us very well throughout the time that we've been with them. So we do owe a lot of our success to AWS, absolutely. Nothing's ever finished. Like, we all know that in business, so they're continually, even now, still helping with the factory layout, because as we've changed and gone from, simple punches, we've got the new CNC machine, so we're going to change where we're bringing glass in or where we're receiving deliveries for this, so we need to move this around. Their support has been excellent for us to deliver great service products that we rely on our team massively for that. So we've got apprentices through to staff that have been here for over 10 years. So all of our staff basically are always on some kind of level of moving to the next level. So we love that they always want to grow with us, and like I say, we wouldn't be able to do what we do without them. I'm very proud of what we've achieved and very proud of our team. And that's a massive thing that we can't forget, because Alex couldn't have done it on his own. Alex and I couldn't have done it together. We had to have had the help and expertise of our team and, like I say, the support of AWS. But if we didn't have that, we would never have been able to achieve what we have. And even friends and family, like everybody has helped out in some way along the journey. We're very, very proud, but also very grateful for the support that we've had to be able to achieve what we do.